Okay, you guys are going to hate me. Do you remember way back when we were looking at new lines and the most common way was \n? Now we need the end1 command because it's separated by these flags. And here's why. The assignment is going to be to use what we've learned. We're going to use a simple operand. Maybe I should get over here before I explain this. So all these operands are going to be in here. We're going to do one arithmetic, which is easy. Then we're going to do a few assignments. So we're going to add 21 plus 22. And then we're going to add 4 plus 8 using the assignment operator AND. So this is the one where it's broken down into binary digits. 8 would be 1, 0, 0, 0. 4 would be 0, 1, 0, 0. And then we're going to add 4 and 3 using the assignment operator. And we're going to use the shift right and then the shift left. So here's how we're going to do it. And every bit of what I type in here can be put into any one of those try it yourself simulators and code blocks. But we're going to take it a step further. So we are going to actually put all of our answers on one build. These are not the answers, by the way. You can copy and paste the code out of W3 Schools at this point. I think you've got the basics down well enough that you can use it in that manner. But we're going to add this thing called a void function. The void function stores the value for you. You can only have one of these functions. So if you try to put several of them in there and run your programs that way, like if you try to copy this, then just copy it off the next one, it won't work. You just want to leave out the integer main function. This is going to be the void function right here, and this is the only part that you would want. And notice the squiggly lines. Here's the squiggly lines. Instead of int main, it's void my function 3, because you can make as many functions as you want without creating a conflict. So right now I have 100 plus 50. Let's go ahead and do one of the ones off of your worksheet. Do I have the AND function in there yet? Yeah. Okay, let's do that one. 4 and 8 using the assignment operator, and let's see what that returns. I can already tell you, an 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. A 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. So it should return a 0. Notice that the \n, it's not going to work, so you have to use this before you're at the end of your function. Let's see if we're right. Yeah, we got a 0 now. So here's our answers. 100 plus 50 equals 150. 4 ANDed with 8 gives you a 0. 5 ANDed with 3 gives you a 7, but that's not one of the ones on your worksheet either. But basically, what needs to be hacked out of W3 Schools, the return 0 cannot be in there because you're trying to clear your other functions, your other voided functions. That has to be after your main function has ran, which is compromised of your other functions, and you can see that here. And okay, what else? Instead of return 0, you need the, is it still on there? Yeah, the end1 command, or else everything will just show up in a straight line. It would say 15007. So that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and I'll paste my code for you. I'll paste it right after this lecture. And I would ask that you don't just change it up. I mean, I don't have enough to answer all 5 questions, and anyhow, you need 1, 2, 3. You would need 2 more void commands. But you know, try to do it yourself. I don't mind if you get stuck. Use mine, but try to take what you need out of W3 Schools instead of just using mine as a template. That way, you're actually building your own program. I think that would be awesome. But like I said, I will paste the code. Actually, I haven't posted the assignment yet, so I will paste the code right here. It's not very colorful, but at least you've got it. And you could always pause the YouTube lecture here and then here. But yeah, see what you guys can do. This one I think will be one to be proud of, because this was a really, really tough section of W3 schools. And we'll go ahead and we'll finish up the last two. Comparison and logical are very easy. We'll go ahead and finish up them this week and have just an easy assignment to give you guys a little bit of a break. But that's it. Have fun and be proud of yourselves.